Welcome to our video. Today, I'm going to tell you how to add UGC stories on Shopify with shoppable videos in 2025. User-generated content is one of the best ways to boost trust and sales, and Shopify makes it easy to plug this right into your storefront. First, grab an app like Tolstoy, VideoWise, or ReelUp from the Shopify App Store. These let you upload or sync TikToks, Instagram Reels, or customer submitted clips directly into your product pages. Next, connect your products inside the app so the videos become shoppable, meaning viewers can click and buy without leaving the video. You can set these up as UGC stories that autoplay on your homepage, collections, or even as pop-ups, so your store feels interactive instead of static. The beauty here is that social proof beats conversion. Real customers showing your product with one-click checkout right under it. And since this is native to Shopify apps, you don't need coding at all. Just drag, drop, and publish. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more guides like this.